What are easements, and why do they matter in land law? Easements are legal rights allowing the use of someone else's land for a specific purpose. In this video, we will explore the nature, purpose, and creation of easements. An easement is a legal right benefiting one piece of land over another. The dominant land enjoys the easement, while the servient land bears the burden. Easements are more than personal permissions. They are enduring rights. They must accommodate the dominant land and involve different owners. Understanding their purpose is key to land use planning. Easements have four essential characteristics. They require a dominant and servient tenement. The easement must benefit the dominant land and involve different owners. It must be capable of forming the subject matter of a grant. These characteristics ensure that easements are precise and enforceable. Easements can be positive or negative. Positive easements allow actions on the servient land, like a right-of-way. Negative easements restrict actions, such as building height limits. Both types serve different purposes in property management. Understanding these differences is crucial for property rights. Easements can be created legally or equitably. They may arise through express or implied grants. Registration is often required to formalize the easement. Implied grants involve necessity or common intention. Understanding how easements are created helps in navigating property transactions. Implied easements arise without explicit documentation. They may be necessary for land use or based on common intentions. The rule in Wheeldon v. Burroughs often applies. Section 62 of the Law of Property Act is also relevant. These rules ensure easements meet practical needs. Easements can be acquired over time through prescription. Continuous use for 20 years without interruption is required. The use must be open and without permission. This process establishes a legal right to use the land. Understanding prescription aids in long-term land use planning. Equitable easements have similar requirements to legal ones. They arise in situations where legal easements cannot exist. This can include uncertain durations or life interests. They may also result from enforceable contracts or proprietary estoppel. Equitable easements provide flexibility in land use rights. Re Ellenborough Park is a landmark case on easements. It established key criteria for granting an easement. The case involved shared use of parkland by homeowners. The court outlined necessary conditions for an easement. This case guides modern easement law and property rights. Easements can be extinguished through various means. Express release or abandonment are common methods. Changes in land use can also lead to extinction. An easement may be limited if its use becomes excessive. Understanding these processes is crucial for managing land rights. Easement use can be restricted if it becomes excessive. Changes in property use may necessitate restrictions. For instance, converting farmland to a caravan park. Courts can limit easement rights to prevent misuse. This ensures balance between property development and rights. Easements must be enforceable against successors in title. Legal and equitable easements have different enforcement rules. Registered land easements bind new owners automatically. Unregistered land requires additional registration steps. Understanding enforcement ensures easements remain effective. Legal and equitable easements differ in creation and enforcement. Legal easements require formal deeds and registration. Equitable easements may arise from contracts or estoppel. Both types serve important roles in property rights. Understanding their differences aids in effective land management. Easements can be acquired through express or implied means. Express acquisition involves formal agreements and registration. Implied acquisition occurs through necessity or common intention. Prescription allows for easements after long-term use. Each method has specific legal requirements. Necvi, neclum, nec precario are principles of easement acquisition. They mean without force, secrecy, or permission. Long-term use under these conditions establishes rights. This principle underpins the law of prescription. Understanding these terms is key to land use rights. Implied grants and reservations occur without explicit agreements. They arise from necessity or the rule in Wheeldon v. Burroughs. Section 62 of the Law of Property Act is also relevant. These rules ensure easements meet practical needs. Understanding them aids in property transactions. Section 62 of the Law of Property Act allows for easement conversion. Quasi-easements can become full easements upon property sale. This section simplifies property transactions. It ensures easements are recognized and enforceable. Understanding this law is crucial for property rights. Non-traditional easements include novel rights not previously recognized. They arise from modern property needs and uses. Courts evaluate these on a case-by-case basis. Understanding their extent helps in land use planning. They reflect evolving property rights and societal changes. Easements by necessity are vital for landlocked properties. They ensure access to essential resources and roads. These easements arise when no other access is possible. They are crucial for ensuring property usability. Understanding necessity easements aids in land development. Easements can be restricted or extinguished under certain conditions. Excessive use or changes in land use can lead to restrictions. Extinguishment may occur through abandonment or express release. These processes ensure easements remain relevant and fair. Understanding them aids in property management. In conclusion, understanding the nature and purpose of easements is essential for recognizing how rights over another person's land function within land law. Easements such as rights of way, rights to light, or rights to access utilities play a crucial role in enabling land to be used effectively and harmoniously. They help balance the interests of neighboring landowners by granting necessary rights while maintaining legal clarity and preventing disputes. A strong grasp of easements allows individuals to better interpret land agreements, manage property use, and ensure fair and practical outcomes in real property matters. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074-843-61688.